Sure, from Hyderabad. Friends, our Indian society is a caste-ridden society, and it is badly divided by the hierarchy of the castes, that's Agravarna and Lower Varna. Unless we fight against this sociological evil, in India, the caste and the class combination will not change. The caste is such an entrenched one, wherein everybody has to fight against it. In India, there is a tradition of Arya Samaj and other people. They have been fighting, they have been trying to reform the society for the caste society. And then most of the Indians, particularly, they are living in the contradictions, lot of contradictions. In one way, they, particularly the caste societies, what do you call it, Jatiya Sangh, जितने भी जातीय संघ है, all these caste societies particularly, they have become vote banks, they are entrenched, they are hypocritical also. At one side they say that we need caste society, but for the power politics, every caste wants its power, sharing of the power, so it became caste society, vote bank. So unless we shatter this vote bank of the caste, we cannot liberate our society.
Yes, my name is Samir Kumbam. I am from Hyderabad. Actually, India has lost a lot in past few decades because of the caste system. Actually, if at all there is no equality, our country is going to lose big time. If at all you are voting basing on the caste to a particular person without thinking about his skills, you are the loser. So everyone should realize this and give importance to people basing on the kind of work they have, the kind of work they do for the society, but not based on the caste. This is the way our society is going to go forward. So hope everyone realizes this and tell to everyone, especially in their family, not to believe in caste and accordingly grow their children as well. Thank you.
We need, and I think the discrimination on the basis of caste, the awareness should start right from the family, from family to community, community to a higher level, like at a society level. So until and unless we need to transform it into more of economic basis rather than based on hereditary or caste basis. So if we can uplift economically backward rather than anyone based on their hereditary background, that will be great for the country. Thank you.
My name is Gitanjali Gupta. I'm from MP. ईश्वर ने जब बनाया तो हम ईश्वर ने कास्ट नहीं सोचा और इंसान को सब एक सा बनाया, तो हम कौन होते हैं कास्ट डिफरेंस करने वाले।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम हिमांशु है और इस वक्त हम लोग ओक्टी रोड इज़लिन न्यू जर्सी में खड़े हैं। सब लोग भारत में जात पात के ऊपर जो बंटवारा है हम बहुत सालों से देखते आ रहे हैं, कह सकते हैं पिछले कई सौ सालों से। और इस आज जब हम पूरी दुनिया में घूमते हैं और शिक्षा हमें मिली है, लोगों को समझते हैं, तो हम ये देखते हैं कि चाहे शिक्षा हो या नौकरी हो या राजनीति हो या देश की प्रगति हो, जात पात की वजह से हम बहुत पिछड़ गए हैं इस वजह से, और जगह जगह हमें मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ता है। जो होशियार लोग होते हैं वो आगे नहीं आ पाते क्योंकि ये चीज़ें हमारे दिमाग में इतनी घुसी हुई हैं, और हमें ही आगे मिलकर इस बुराई को हटाना होगा। भगवान ने हमें जन्म दिया है, हम सबका खून एक है, हड्डी मांस खाल बाल सबके पास एक जैसे हैं, लेकिन आदमी को जात पात से बांटकर जो हिंसा की है वो बहुत ही ख़तरनाक और देश की प्रगति के लिए बहुत ही गलत बात है, तो उसे हमें हटाने का पूरा प्रयास करना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
I am Madhu from New Jersey. It's ironic that in the 21st century, while we talk about development on the one hand, so there is widespread prevalence of caste-based discrimination. I believe development is not about building malls or highways. It's about providing equal opportunity to everybody so that they can pursue their own dreams and lead a dignified life. So I believe this march is a move towards such a just and equal society. Thank you.
So caste is just a identification that is being brought up by certain section of people. When you are born there, you are told you are that caste. But when you are born, you are just a human being. So don't identify yourself with the caste of your parents or your society. stay foolish, live long.
हम लोग यहाँ ओक्टी रोड पर जातिगत व्यवस्था में व्याप्त जो बुराइयां हैं उसके खिलाफ प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। मुझे लगता है कि जातिगत व्यवस्था एक वक्त में जब बनाई गई थी तो उसकी आवश्यकता थी, किंतु आज वो जातिगत व्यवस्था जो है वो सत्ता पाने का एक औजार भर बनकर रह गई है और इसके कारण उसके अंदर जो भी अच्छाई थी वो खत्म हो चुकी है और वो स्वयं अपने आप में एक बुराई बन चुकी है। तो मुझे लगता है कि या तो समाज इसको सुधारे और जातिगत व्यवस्था को ठीक करे, और अगर ठीक नहीं कर सकता तो जातिगत व्यवस्था से पूरी तरह बाहर आए। यही एकमात्र रास्ता है। धन्यवाद।
Namaste, I'm Kalpana, and when I think about the earth, nature, I feel like God never, like He provided us air, water, and everybody really can enjoy it without anything. How can we people like put limitations that certain caste people cannot go to the temple, where they say like God is there in the temple? So this type of discrimination because of caste or any other limitations put by the society, we should we should not follow these. That's my message.
Discrimination actually starts from home, not from anywhere else. How else can you explain a 4-year-old distinguishing between elders and the maid? He never considers the maid to be an elder. How else would you know a garbage man is a garbage man for the rest of that kid's life? So the discrimination actually starts from the home. We feed this into the child's mind, and that's where it should stop. And then the other problems pertaining to the society, the community and everywhere else, that will automatically go down. Thank you.
Hi, this is Rajni.
Shrino.
We think that caste is irrelevant in today's society. So the way we deal with it is we don't tell our kids what our caste is. They just never were told.
Yeah, and we think it should end with us. And that's our personal responsibility. And we ask the Indian government also to take away caste system from schooling, from the job market, and from the political system. The government is creating a system for people to follow, which is self-discrimination. We should stop self-discrimination and live as global citizens.